Well, we moved our daughters, Misha and Tanya. Misha is in class 9th and Tanya is in class 5 now. It's been 2 years now with Glentree Academy. Glentree Academy was basically a leap of faith, and that faith also needs some background. For us, it was meeting the school principal, Somya ma'am, who invited us to take a tour of the school and meet the teachers. We really liked it, whatever we saw. Over the last couple of years, we have seen they really follow the value of humility. There's a mutual trust. The teachers are very competent, and especially for us parents, they are open for feedback. I asked my daughters, Misha, what do you love? And she says, I love the freedom in the school. Tanya says she loves the fun-filled learning. As parents, we are delighted to see the holistic learning happening here. The academics are top-notch, and the human values that are getting taught to the children. Moreover, they have exposure to all the activities that the school promises. Overall, it's been a great ride to be part of Glentree Academy. Yeah.
As a parent, the best gift what you can give it to your child is the best possible education system. Well, I found out Mr. and Mrs. Bandari's institution, Glentree Academy in Sarjapur area. In Glentree Academy, what I found very special is the teachers are very accommodative and the institute encourage learning for life. Rooms are very spacious and ventilated. The facilities like library, computer room, other facilities, auditorium, and even they encourage the sports very well. The best part of Glentree Academy, the teachers are very accommodative, very approachable, and during the learning, the teachers are very acceptable. So I feel very happy to make my child to study in Glentree Academy.
Hi, my son is Ashwant Vadan. He's studying in 7th grade. Before coming to the Glentree, we had a discussion with Vice Principal Somya ma'am. So she explained the overall the curriculum activities, the holistic view of this learning and concepts, and whatever the curriculum activities. So now my son is very happy with this part of the Glentree. He has very much interactive with this live experiences, which is activities. So we are very happy with this part of the Glentree.
A place where curiosity excels.
It is here where bright careers begin.
I want to become an aeronautical engineer.
With the best of the sports facilities.
When I grow up, I want to be an educator or a businesswoman because I love to explore and learn new things.
An all-immersive environment your child deserves.
An age-bound curriculum paving the path to your child's success.
On behalf of Glentree Management, I welcome you all to the new academic year 2020-21. It's a very different situation now. 3 months before, the world was in a very safe situation, but now it is pandemic. But let us hope and pray that we will overcome the situation very soon. Every sector, including the education sector, has taken a different turn. The schools are facing a lot of challenges in terms of logistics and operation. But we have come up with a strategic solution. As per the government directive, we will not be able to open our school any soon now. So we have decided to accelerate the usage of technology. We will be going completely online for all the school purposes, which includes the classroom teaching, the admission process, the teacher training, the parent communication, and also the fee payment. So we are one of the very few schools who have thoroughly engaged our children during the summer through online summer camp program and holiday redefined program and quarantine activity. So which was very well received by all of our parents and students. So with this hope, we are starting our online classes. In fact, we have started our online classes on June 1st, that is from today onwards. We have integrated a platform called MS Team, which is a licensed one with our Edmatics ERP portal, that is both parent and teacher portal. So parent can join the class through the portal and teachers can also start the class through the portal. So the first 2 weeks of June, it is going to be the bridge course. So we will be revising all the concepts that was learnt by the children during the last academic year. This will also help to bridge the learning gaps that exist in the children. Soon, I will be sharing the information on the orientation and also the information on books and uniform distribution. The parents will be waiting for the textbooks for the children to use it at home during the online classes. Our teachers have been extremely and extensively trained in the past 1 month to become tech educators. But there will be technical glitches, both from the school side and also from the parent side. There will be technical glitches which we are trying to fix it as soon as possible, and I am sure we will fix all these glitches soon, and it's going to be a smooth sail for all of us. Our academic team has come out with a dynamic plan to transition easily into this online teaching. So I'm sure all our children and parents will get comfortable as we continue to go online for the teaching and learning process. Our parents have always been supportive, but especially during this time, we require their support and involvement in this online teaching and learning process. Let us hope and pray that we will overcome this situation and bounce back to normalcy as soon as possible. Until that time, let us stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you so much.
ಗ್ಲೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಯು ಈಗಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಪದ್ಧತಿಗೆ ಮಾದರಿಯಾದ ಶಾಲೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸ್ಪಂದಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಹಾಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಶಾಲಾ ಕೊಠಡಿಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಅನುಕೂಲವಾಗಿದೆ.
A safe and secure campus with pristine landscape providing the right learning environment for your children.